Hi everyone! My husband's in the kitchen today. What are we making?
I'm making some hibiscus tea infused with some pineapple. Hibiscus tea infused with pineapple. Obviously, we have hibiscus. We got this from
Amazon,
right? And then pineapple. We have some cayenne pepper. I'll use the skin of this orange. We have some ginger, cinnamon sticks, some garlic. We have star anise and some cloves.
So we're gonna just use the skin of the pineapple in the tea.
You can actually use the whole pineapple, but we want to eat the pineapple. So. I mostly use the crown of the pineapple also, but you can cut it, but I mostly want to like clean, make sure there's no like insect or anything in here. So I put them one by one and go wash it before I put it in.
So in here we have the pineapple skin and the crown of the pineapple that he just washed, and we saved the pineapple fruit for us to eat and enjoy later.
Ideally you want these like crushed or something, so like the juice will just go in, but I think this will do too. Put this one here. Yes, these are done. Go same for these. Alright. You just crush the garlic and put it in. Crush it. Okay. Put it in. Put everything in. That's it. This is what we eventually store our tea in. So we just measure the amount of water we need and then put it in.
Been in the fridge. We're gonna let it boil for about 12 minutes. You don't want it to overcook because it'll just kill all of the vitamins. So we'll let it boil for about 12 minutes. Then we'll turn off the heat and then we'll add in the cayenne pepper and the hibiscus flowers.
Boiling for about 15 minutes. I'm going to turn off the heat and add the hibiscus and the cayenne pepper. This is enough. This is enough. And then we're going to add the cayenne pepper. You should be careful about this because if it's too spicy, just put enough cayenne pepper. You don't want it too spicy.
Now we let it steep until it cools off, and then we'll transfer it to our container.